In this video, I'll demonstrate how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with others using a link. To begin, open Google Drive by visiting www.google.com or simply searching for Google Drive on Google. Once you're on the Drive homepage, log in if you haven't already. Next, click on the New button and select File Upload from the options. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Locate the video you wish to upload and select it. For example, I'll choose the Pixels video and MP4 file. After clicking Open, the video will begin uploading to Google Drive. You'll notice the progress in the bottom right corner. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your Drive. Double-clicking on the file will open the video, though it may still undergo processing. However, it's not necessary to wait for processing to share the video. To proceed, click on More Actions next to the video and select Share. A window will appear. Under General Access, you'll see the option stating that only people with access can open the link. If desired, you can change this setting to anyone with the link and select whether they can view, comment, or edit the video. Once you've made your selection, click on Copy Link. Open a new browser window and paste the link. The browser will redirect to the video page. Please note that if the video is still processing, you'll need to wait for it to fully process before sharing. Finally, you can share the video link through any messaging service or email. Simply compose your message, paste the link, and the recipient will be able to access the video by clicking on it.